Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the carnivore diet and its effects on gut health. The carnivore diet is a very restrictive diet that only includes meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. It excludes all plant foods, including fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. There is a lot of interest in the carnivore diet for its potential health benefits, including weight loss, improved gut health, and reduced inflammation. In this video, we'll discuss the potential benefits of the carnivore diet for gut health, as well as some potential risks. Benefits of the carnivore diet for gut health. The carnivore diet has been shown to have a number of benefits for gut health, including increased diversity of gut bacteria. Studies have shown that the carnivore diet can increase the diversity of gut bacteria, which is important for overall health and well-being. Reduced inflammation. The carnivore diet can help to reduce inflammation in the gut, which can improve symptoms of conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and Crohn's disease. Improved gut barrier function. The carnivore diet can help to improve the gut barrier function, which is important for preventing the absorption of toxins and pathogens. Increased nutrient absorption. The carnivore diet is a nutrient-dense diet, which can help to improve nutrient absorption. Potential risks of the carnivore diet. While the carnivore diet has been shown to have some benefits for gut health, there are also some potential risks to consider. Nutritional deficiencies. The carnivore diet is a very restrictive diet, which can lead to nutritional deficiencies if it is not followed carefully. Constipation. The carnivore diet is low in fiber, which can lead to constipation in some people. Kidney problems. The carnivore diet is high in protein, which can put a strain on the kidneys. Heart disease. The carnivore diet is high in saturated fat, which can increase the risk of heart disease. Conclusion. The carnivore diet is a very restrictive diet that has been shown to have some benefits for gut health. However, there are also some potential risks associated with the diet, so it is important to weigh the benefits and risks before making a decision about whether or not to try it. If you are considering trying the carnivore diet, it is important to talk to your doctor first. They can help you to make sure that the diet is safe for you and that you are getting the nutrients that you need. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.